Are you looking to combine SEO with conversion rate optimization (CRO) to boost your website's performance? This quick 3-minute guide will show you how to seamlessly integrate both strategies to increase traffic and conversions. Stick around till the end because I've got a special offer to help you get started with the tools I recommend. SEO and CRO both have one goal: driving results. But they focus on different stages of the funnel. SEO is about bringing traffic to your site, and CRO is all about turning that traffic into conversions. When combined, you're not just attracting visitors, you're making sure those visitors take action. To start, let's talk about the foundation of both. SEO focuses on creating high-quality, keyword-optimized content that ranks well on search engines. You want to ensure your content is relevant, has high search intent, and answers the exact questions people are typing into Google. But here's the twist. Good SEO isn't just about traffic, it's also about delivering a seamless user experience, which leads us directly into CRO. Now, to combine SEO with CRO, focus on the user journey. From the moment someone clicks on your link in the search results, every step should be optimized for conversion. That starts with the landing page. Make sure it's fast, mobile-friendly, and easy to navigate. A slow loading page can turn potential leads into missed opportunities, even if your SEO is spot on. The next key step is using clear calls to action, CTAs. Make sure your CTAs align with the intent of the visitors you're attracting through SEO. For example, if someone landed on your site looking for a solution to a specific problem, your CTA should offer them a clear next step towards solving that problem, whether it's signing up for a free trial, downloading a guide, or making a purchase. The right CTA combined with targeted content will lead to higher conversion rates. Also, don't overlook the power of A/B testing. After all, what works for SEO might not always be the most effective for conversion. Test different headlines, page layouts, CTAs, and even images to see what resonates most with your audience. The data you gather will help you fine-tune both your SEO strategy and CRO efforts. Another key element in combining SEO and CRO is user engagement metrics. If your SEO strategy is working, you'll see a higher click-through rate, CTR, but are those visitors staying on your page? Low bounce rates and high time on page mean that your content is doing its job, but you can take it further by analyzing where people drop off in the conversion process. This will help you tweak both your SEO content and your conversion elements for better results. Now remember, combining SEO and CRO isn't just about bringing in traffic or focusing on one strategy over the other. It's about optimizing the entire funnel, from when the user first lands on your site to when they convert into a customer. Key takeaway. The most important thing to remember when combining SEO with conversion rate optimization is that they work hand in hand. SEO brings the traffic, but CRO ensures that traffic turns into conversions. By focusing on both, you're maximizing the value of every visitor to your site. To quickly recap, we covered optimizing your landing page using clear CTAs, A/B testing your elements, and analyzing user engagement. By integrating these strategies, you'll make the most of both SEO and CRO. And before I close, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I've linked in the description below. It's only available to my viewers, and you can follow along with the tools I trust to help you boost both SEO and conversion rates. Thanks for watching, and make sure you apply these tips to see real results.